Hi, welcome to SkinAct's tutorial on how to replace a treatment table motor and control box. This video applies to the Palma and Malibu models. Before we begin, we recommend acquiring these tools to use in order to better replace the motor. Let's get started. For access to the control box, lay the table on its side. Remove the control box from the base of the table using a drill and then remove it from its mount. Unplug any cables and wires as well as the power adapter. With a new control box, plug in the power and you should see a green light. Using the power drill, attach the control box to the mount. Plug in the fuse wire. Put the plug protector back on. Now you can connect the box mount to the table. To access the backrest motor, use the remote and lift the back of the table up as well as raise the height. Using a flathead, remove the caps to the back cover on the base of the table. Adjust the height of the table to get the cover to come off. Remove these screws from the base. You'll notice a white cable coming out of the back and up to the back motor. Cut off the zip tie. Go to the other side of the table and you'll find at the base a black rubber grommet. This holds the wire in place. Remove the grommet. On the back side, use a wrench to remove the bolts on the backrest motor. The cable should be labeled number 1. Remove the plug protector and the backrest motor cable from the control box. Remove the cable by de-threading it from the inside of the base. After the cable is free, you can remove the motor. If necessary, you can remove the tilt shock by using a bent nose plier to remove the pins holding it in place. With a new tilt shock, insert it into place and put the screws and pins back on. Replace the back motor and lock it into place with a hammer, wrench, and pliers for better grip. In the corner below, the shock is a slot for you to put the plug into and thread it through the base. Afterwards, put the rubber grommet on. Flip the table on its side and plug the cable into the control box. Drill in the screws under the motor and tilt shock. Zip tie the wires together to store them in the table. Lower the table until the back case slots in, and using a hammer, put the covers back on. The height motor is similar. Using a wrench, loosen the bolts and pins, freeing the motor. It's recommended that the table be kept on its side when replacing this part. You may need to use pliers to remove the bolts. Now replace the motor and put the bolts and pins into place. After that, you're all done. Thanks for watching.